The Nexis Hinge series is an extensive European-style hinge program, covering just about every hinge application imaginable. The Nexis Hinge series offers 3-dimensional adjustment for perfect door alignment. It's soft-close compatible. It has a shallow cup depth of just 11 millimeters, and it accommodates overlays up to 20 millimeters. Here, I'd like to show you a Lazy Susan corner cabinet application using the Nexis hinge. Now, this is a typical kitchen door application, but our unique hinge combination offers a big advantage. So let's take a closer look. So the components that make up the Lazy Susan pie cut corner hinge application starts with the wide angle hinge. So this is a Nexis 170-degree wide angle hinge. A couple benefits, features and benefits on this. It's actually concealing the moving parts, so there's potential pinch points within the hinge. Well, that's covered up for safety. That's also nice for, I guess, the integrity of the hinge, so you don't get sawdust when you're in the shop, or even food particles whenever the hinge is in use in the kitchen. So that's nice. It's all covered and concealed. Another important feature of the wide angle hinge is at 90 degrees opened or closed. That's this angle right here. The door protrudes 0 into the interior of the cabinet, so 0 protrusion at 90 degrees. What this really means is that you can have a rollout tray here, either in a corner application, or it's perfect for pantry applications. So you could have a easy, nice rollout tray. Next is the Lazy Susan hinge. You have that here, and that just connects the twin doors, and of course, the Nexis mounting plate. Now, what makes this combination really unique to grass is that you can drill both the wide angle hinge and the Lazy Susan pie cut hinge on the same door without changing any of your drilling settings. So your tab distance from the edge of the cup to the door on both sides is the same. The hole diameter of 35 millimeters is the exact same on both sides. The mounting hardware here for the screws or dowels is in the exact same position for both sides of the door. And that's what makes the hinge unique. So faster assembly, faster installation, and of course all the superior benefits that you get with a Nexis hinge line. And we'll just close this door right up. You know, we don't think you or Susan are lazy. You're just in a tight spot and you need a little help. Well, this Nexis hinge combo is the perfect mix of ingredients to help you and Susan breeze through a corner application in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.